What is up, guys? Space Monk here. I'm going to teach you today how to do the Show-Go Synth. Really comes in handy in your arsenal of skills, arsenal of sounds that you can use during a beatbox. You definitely want the. So here's how I learned how to do it. You're gonna put your tongue up towards the back of your top teeth. Ooh. Oh, you have to have a falsetto voice. So make your voice high, like ooh. Kind of a switch. It's not normal voice. If you go up with your normal voice, your voice will crack. Or not be able to go that high. So you have to switch. Just pinch your throat to get that really high falsetto voice. Once you have that falsetto voice, put your tongue behind your top teeth, and then just slowly close your teeth until you get. You have to kind of fatten your tongue, and then close your mouth and. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Maybe I'll make another video. It's not the greatest tutorial, I'm sure, but someone wanted to hear how you make the Show-Go Synth sound. So you just have to get your falsetto voice, put your tongue behind your top teeth, I hope that helps. Space Monk out.